What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the Billionaire Blog. Now before we start today's topic, I'd like to inform you guys that PureVPN is offering incredible discounts to the first 150 viewers that click the link in our description. Guys, this discount ranges from 20 all the way to 78%. So if you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity, see the link in the bio. But welcome guys, today's topic is all fitness related. So I'm going to give you 5 things that you should expect when you are trying to build your dream body. Now, all of us are not fitness fanatics, but most people, when they start a self-improvement journey, the first area of their lives that they normally improve, 99% of the people firstly improve physically. And today I'm going to give you 5 things that you can expect when trying to build your dream body. Now, number 1 is be prepared for soreness, especially in the beginning, especially when you're completely new to training and you have no prior experience. Be prepared for soreness. The soreness is caused by the breaking down of the muscle fibers during training, and obviously to alleviate that soreness, your body builds stronger and thicker fibers. So be sure to expect soreness, but it's only temporary, guys. Number 2 that you should expect is you are going to need to eat. In other words, you're going to need to pay attention to your diet. Your body essentially becomes what it consumes. So remember, when you're training, you're breaking down your muscle, and that muscle needs nutrients. It needs proteins in order to be rebuilt. And your body utilizes the proteins and the nutrients that you consume in order to rebuild the damaged muscle fibers. Now, before we get to number 3, guys, please remember to like and comment the video, and also remember to subscribe to our channel. We will keep the amazing content coming to you guys. Then the third thing that you need to expect when building your dream body is you're going to need to focus while training. Focus is something I see a lot of enthusiastic athletes not really prioritize. So I see a lot of people sitting on their phones while they're gymming, a lot of people hogging machines for half an hour, not really focusing on what they're doing. You have to focus and zoom in for those 45 minutes or for that 1 hour while you're training in order to get the most out of your training. The number 4 thing that you should expect when you're trying to build your dream body is that you're going to need to stay consistent. You can't be training for 1 week, full blast, skip a week, and then continue the next week, and it can't be in drips and drabs. Once you commit to a training regime, you have to stick with it in order to see the results that you want. And finally, guys, the number 5, the final thing that you should expect when trying to build your dream body is you are going to need to be mentally prepared for every training session. This links with the concept of focus that I mentioned previously. So training, as much as it is physical, is also a mental game. So if you're not prepared mentally before your session, your training session is not going to be good. So make sure, even if you have to listen to motivational music full blast in your car on the way to the gym, make sure you get into the right mindset before your session starts. And that is it, guys. 5 things that you can expect when trying to build your dream body. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.